So before kami mag-start, gusto muna namin na makilala niyo ang aming band. Because, of course, syempre, para di tayo strangers dito. So, of course, so, first of all, gusto ko, before tayo thank you sa nag-coordinate ng event na to para, for the opportunity, of course. And I want you to meet our, syempre, our bassist, Kian. How it goes, Tapos, my best friend, and actually birthday niya recently, so make sure to say happy birthday. Bulong! Yeah! And of course, our youngest member, the man on the keyboard, the man himself, Eli. Alright!
Yeah, he just turned 11 a week
diba?
back. So happy birthday then, Eli.
And of course, our other pinaka-youngest member, RC. And of course, come on, you wanna introduce yourself or not?
The one and only.
The chicken lover, Shaq. And of course, me, lastly, hello, what's happening? Okay, so the next song, this is one of my favorite songs na personally perform. So I appreciate kung you guys enjoy this, and para ma-appreciate yung true meaning of this song, I would like RC to explain yung meaning ng song na to.
So this is a politically charged song actually. It's about being free. It's asking, are we really free? So yeah, maybe it's related also to what we're championing today. So we're really very happy to be participating in this very good event and support also the cause. So let's go ahead. What if I told you your father could have been?
Yes, sir! Sobrang saya ko, nakalimutan ko na yung next song.